Abraham Lincoln advised a lawyer he was writing to in a letter that he should always think about the opportunities to be a peacemaker. And that applies fairly well in my practice, which is a combination of litigation and transactional work. He focused on trying to avoid unnecessary conflict and bringing parties together where possible. Hi, my name is Phillip Beggs. My practice at Moore Ingram Johnson Steele is very broad. What I do is a combination of transactional work and litigation. I handle commercial real estate of all descriptions. I work on lease and negotiations, often on the tenant side, but handling landlord developments as well. We do regular commercial closings, and I participate in all of that. I also handle a good variety of commercial litigation, often enforcing contracts. Construction contracts certainly are part of that, but broader, what we call business divorce work is part of what I do. And for the last 10 years or so of my practice, I've even branched out and been handling some fiduciary litigation in the probate courts here in Northwest Georgia. One of the things that makes Moore Ingram Johnson Steele unique, I believe, is the location out in the suburbs in Marietta and in Cobb County, where we have tried to develop long-term relationships, drilling well down into the business community in our county. I have clients that I've been working for 20 plus years through multiple up and down cycles. As with any service organization, we try to provide good service, and we try to be an advisor as opposed to just a transactional person solving an immediate problem. What I'm most passionate about in my life is, of course, my family, my wife and 2 daughters who keep me pretty busy as things go by. We spend a lot of time here in Northwest Georgia hiking and enjoying nature, and of course I love my bulldogs, and I spend a lot of painful Saturdays in Athens dealing with them. I said earlier that what I aspire to be is an advisor. I'd like to hear what your situation is and what your legal needs are, and then I think this firm can find someone to help you with whatever situation you're facing.